pick up, like we have two different, when we lose the initial part. Also the museum timing in the, for some people it from 8:30 to evening 8 o'clock, except on Friday mornings. And my name is Bharti, B-A-R-T-A. I'm going to be the guide for the day. It's about a 4-hour tour. And my colleague, Salim, he's going to be driving us safely. So after the museum visit, we are going to continue visiting the old part of Dubai. Earlier, you all have visited the creek. The creek is where Dubai began. You see, along the water is where Dubai started. So this may not look like very old compared to some countries, but this is where Dubai began about 60 years ago. Lived in the desert, moved to the coastal areas where they, where are we going? We are going to the spice souk and the gold souk. So what's coming up? Next is a water taxi, then the spice souk and the gold souk visit, where you'll have some time to look around or shop. Then after that, we'll be going to the other side of Dubai, which is a new part of Dubai, which includes driving through the Jumeirah district. We will stop by an art center. Then we will visit the Burj Al Arab, that famous 7-star hotel by the beachside. Then after that, to the Atlantis, the Palm visit. Then after that, we will drop you in the hotel. The Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. Many of you may be going on your own because the Dubai Mall is there. There's a fountain show, so it's a must-visit place. Many of you will be going. That is not part of the half-day tour. Okay, the tall building, the Burj Khalifa. However, we'll be able to see it from a distance. So this tour is not about just showing places which you can always see by your own certain places. It's about information. So any questions you have, please feel free to ask me. This is called the textile souk, textile market, wholesale. Everything here is, the shops may look empty as if these traders don't have any business, but most of the business is conducted by phone. 70% of the textiles that come into Dubai are exported to other countries. We have from Korea, from Italy, from India, from China, from Indonesia, Malaysia, England, you name it, any countries, Japan of course. All this dress material, textiles come in bulk, they get re-exported to many countries. There are tailoring shops nearby. You can buy one of these textiles and you can do stitching in just 5 hours. You can get a nice dress stitched in this area. Left side further down is a Meena Bazaar. Very, very popular area, Meena Bazaar. It's more like an Indian area. Almost 80% of the businesses here are owned by Indians. And so this is a very popular Indian area. If you like to have a look, otherwise just go around. This market is open every day from morning 9:45 till 10:30 in the night. Every day, including Friday. On the right side is a Hindu temple. You see, in this country, people from all faiths live here peacefully. We have a lot of mosques everywhere. We also have Christian churches. We have 8 churches. This is the only Hindu temple we have on the right inside.
What's the name of it?
It's a Meena Bazaar Parvati Shiva Vishnu temple. So the temple is closed between afternoon 1:30 to 5. Then it opens again. So next we are going to take a water taxi in just less than a few minutes. Okay, so we are going to be away from the bus for the next 1 hour or so. So like I said, we are going to the souks, spice souk and the gold souk. It's a one-way water taxi ride. So if you like to buy watches, if you like to buy some small gift items, etc., this is the place to come. In the malls in Dubai, fixed prices. Here, you can get it almost half the price compared to the malls. Watches, for example, you see a lot of watch shops everywhere. Medium brands, not big brands, at low prices. So this is where Dubai began, along the side of the creek. The creek is the nucleus of Dubai's development. Everything in Dubai started on both sides of the creek. Creek may symbolize a small waterway, but here it is seawater. We don't have rivers, we don't have lakes. It is all seawater on the right. So we're going to now hire a boat. The boat ride is for about 7 minutes, one way. And then I'll be with you. I'll take you to the boat, and then we are going to go where? To the spice market and the gold market. Okay, old parts. These are all old parts. Doesn't look old, but this is how it is. In this country, old means 80-year-old, 90-year-old is considered very old. Maybe your parents' houses are more than 100 years old. So this is what we call as old. So we are going on a water taxi ride, everybody, away from the